Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel, where we break down language like never before. Today we're diving into the world of English slang. Those trendy, catchy phrases that everyone's using. Whether you're looking to level up your lingo, or just curious about what's hot right now, you're in the right place. Let's get into 10 slangs you need to know, complete with meanings and examples. Ghost. Meaning: to suddenly cut off all communication with someone. Example: I thought we were getting along, but he totally ghosted me after our last date. Number 2. Flex. Meaning: to show off or brag about something. Example: she always flexes her designer bags on Instagram. Number 3. Goat. Meaning: greatest of all time, someone who is the best in a particular field. Example: Michael Jordan is the GOAT of basketball. Number 4. Clout. Meaning: influence or power, especially in a social media context. Example: he's only hanging out with them for the clout. Number 5. Bet. Meaning: used to agree with something, or to confirm plans. Example: bet I'll pick you up at 7. Number 6. Low-key. Meaning: to do something quietly or secretly, without drawing attention. Example: I'm low-key excited about the party tonight. Number 7. Salty. Meaning: being upset or annoyed, often over something trivial. Example: she got salty when I didn't invite her to the movie. Number 8. Throw shade. Meaning: to subtly insult or criticize someone. Example: did you see how she threw shade at her ex in that tweet? Number 9. No cap. Meaning: to emphasize that something is true or not exaggerated. Example: this is the best pizza in town, no cap. Number 10. BAE. Meaning: a term of endearment for a significant other, short for before anyone else. Example: can't wait to spend the weekend with my BAE. And there you have it. Whether you're flexing your slang game, or just trying to keep up with the latest trends, these phrases will have you sounding like a pro in no time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun and informative content. See you in the next video.